Welcome to Enable, the collaborative platform for maximizing the performance of your B2B deals and driving profitable growth with your trading partners. To get started collaborating with your trading partners, you'll first need to accept your invitation by clicking on the link in your email and accepting the invite on that trading partner's tile. From here, you can share transaction data and view any activity all between you and this trading partner. Uploading your transaction data is easy in Enable, and you can do this in a few simple steps. First, you'll need to download the template, which is pre-populated with the required headings. Once you've filled in your data, you can just drag your file into here or browse your local file storage to find the file to be imported. A helpful validation step is provided, which gives you a summary of the data you are importing, like the value, the number of transactions, if you have any data that doesn't match your trading partner's data, and a date range of the file. If you already have data within the date range, you'll be asked whether you want to keep this or overwrite it. If not, you can just proceed to the next stage. Finally, before confirming, you'll get a full review of the data, so you can do a sense check before hitting submit. In some cases, this file might need approving by the company you are sending it to before it can be confirmed. You'll have full visibility of the transactions you have imported on the dashboard, where there's a monthly summary, a log of transactions with import statuses, and a link to find all the master data, like the product codes, that you'll need for your files. So that's it for our quick tour of Enable. Thanks for watching and good luck!